Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap FPS on PUBG, quite easy and straightforward. So first of all, go to graphics settings, then go to here you should see in-game FPS cap, and then make it to custom, and you can match your monitor's refresh rate, or simply you can select unlimited here, right? And always go to a advanced section and disable vsync if it's enabled, right? And then look if the problem persists, if you're still getting capped FPS. If not, you're good to go. And if you're getting, then let's change some settings on Windows. So first of all, go to display settings, and then you need to scroll down a bit until you see advanced display, and make sure right monitor is selected, and then a maximum amount of hertz is selected here. Then depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA control panel. I can simply go to, as you can see here, on change resolution, and then here I can change maximum amount of hertz, then manage 3D settings, and then scroll down a bit, make sure max frame rate selected is off, or matching it matches your FPS. I like to have it on off, because in game you can set up FPS. Then and make sure the preferred refresh rate is highest available here, and also vsync is off. And that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.